Welcome to another session. So far we have finished two lessons, the real numbers and polynomial. We are going to start the third lesson, which is linear equation in two variables. Let's start. Look at the two equations I have written here, which is the first one is 2x plus 1 equals 7 and 2x plus 4y equals 20. What is the difference between these two equations? So in the first equations I have used only one variable, which is x. This is called linear equation in one variable. Look at the second equation, I have used two variables x and y. This is called linear equation in two variable. In this lesson we are going to talk about linear equation in two variable, which is the second type. So the standard format of linear equation in two variable is ax plus b equals 0, where a, b, c are constant, x and y are variables. And a and b both must not be 0. If both are 0, then the equation will not be exist. What is the use of linear equation in two variable in our mathematics? Let me explain with a real-time example. In a classroom, there are 30 students are present, both boys and girls. If I ask you how many boys and girls are there in that classroom, can you tell the answer? Until I give a clue, you cannot answer this question. My clue here is there are 4 more boys than girls. So how to find it? I start with 15. If it is 15 boys, the girls must be 15. If it is 16, 14, the difference is 2. This is not correct. This is not correct. For 17 boys, girls must be 3, 13. Yeah, the difference between is 4. So here in this case, there are 4 boys more than girls. So the boys are, there are 17 boys and girls 13. How to solve this problem in algebraic method? Let me try to write these values in algebraic method. I write x plus y equals 30 and x minus y equals 4. That means I represent x for boys, y for girls. If I solve these two equations, I will able to tell how many boys and how many girls are present in that classroom. There are two ways to solve these equations. First one is substitution and elimination. I am going to use these two methods in the same problem. First I take the substitution method. I am going to use the substitution method. I take any one equation. I take second equation here. I derive some x value from these equation. X equals 4 plus y. Then I substitute in equation 1. I substitute the value for x in the first equation. Then I got this 4 plus 2y equals 30. For 2y, I got 13 for y. I'm going to substitute the y value to the other equation, any one of the equation. Here I substituted in the second equations, so which is x minus 13 equals 4. So I get x 17 for x. Now we are able to tell there are 17 boys and 13 girls in the classroom. Next I am going to apply the elimination method on the same problem. In elimination method, the name itself says elimination. We are going to eliminate or we are going to cut any term to find the other terms. For example, here I am going to add these two equations. If I add these two, this plus y minus y will gone. The remaining is 2x equals 34, which gives me x equals 34 by 2 is 17, which is same as what we got from substitution method. The next step, I substitute the x value for any one of the equation to find out the y value. After the substitution of x value, I got the y value, which is 13.